right, boys and girls, yesterday we learned that the first alphabet with vowels and consonant came from the Greeks. Okay? And the Roman people changed it a little to make it and made the Latin or Roman alphabet which we use today. I have a question you all should know. Are you ready?
Yes.
How many letters are in our alphabet? Everyone.
26.
26. Rock on. You have to know that, okay? For a test on Friday. Yep, you will have a test on Friday. You have to know there are 26 letters. Got it?
Got it.
Okay, let's see. Let's see if I can trick you on this one. How many sounds are in our alphabet?
24. 14.
Anthony?
46.
Huh?
46.
No.
Vowels.
No. How many sounds are there in our language? We said there's 26 letters, but how many sounds does some of those? No, different letters make different sounds. So, you want me to tell you?
No. I think I know.
40. Yes, there are 40 sounds. Okay. Ideally, an alphabet would contain the same number of letters as there are sounds. However, that is not the case. Okay. When we talk to each other, we use language that is made up of words. We call this communication. Dogs, cats, and horses communicate with each other too, but they do not use words like we do. Okay? Imagine what it would be like to communicate with other people if we did not have words. Okay? If you couldn't talk to someone else using your words, and you wanted to tell them that their shoe is untied or something, or they have a booger in their nose, sometimes it's going to be hard, right? You couldn't say anything. You're like,
You don't need to.
see, yeah, you have no idea, right? Okay. All right. So, boys and girls, words are very important, and knowing how to talk and read is very important, okay? Okay, boys and girls, we're going to review our letter cards, our picture cards, and our sight word cards that we looked at yesterday, okay? We have to do this kind of quickly so we can get on. All right, so, are you ready? What letter is this?
U, O, I, E, A, U.
Okay, we already had you, right?
Yep.
Okay, now we're going to do our picture cards. Remember, we have to say the letter, the sound, and the picture. A, apple. Everybody, I want to hear you. Unicorn.
Octopus. Overall. Inch. Ice.
I hear one person.
Elephant. Equal.
Let's do that one more time because I was really hearing one person and I saw a lot of people looking at their desks. One more time.
Apple. Acorn.
Acorn.
Umbrella. Unicorn. Octopus.
with an A. Okay. Boys and girls, now I'm going to give you your worksheet. Okay. Please put your name on it. It is also on the board right now. Oh, voice is off, boys and girls. You're recording. Okay. Listen. Okay, you have your name on this paper, right? Make sure you write it nicely. It needs to look like a name. Fine, leave it there. Okay. Before we start, I do want to ask you, what were these called yesterday? The letters that we looked at yesterday and the ones that we just reviewed? A, E, I, O, and U. What are those called? Vowels. How many vowels were there? 5. 5 vowels. Okay, now, let's see. Okay. Remember, I'm gonna say a sound, boys and girls. And I want you to write it on number 1, the letter for that sound. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, number 1. Repeat. I. Write it down on number 1. Lowercase is fine. Lowercase is fine. Okay, number 2. O. Number 3. A. Thank you for repeating. That's awesome. Number 4. E. Number 5. F. What letter says F? No. Just write it down on number 5. Don't say it out loud. Just write it down on number 5. Okay, number 6. Number 7. U. Thank you for repeating still. Number 8. Number 9. It. And number 10. Off. Okay. Okay, hold on. Look at the letters in the boxes on the top of worksheet 2. On the top, okay? The one that you're just on. Match the capital vowels with the lowercase vowels in each box by drawing lines to connect them. Okay, so in this box, you need to put a line from capital A to lowercase a. Does that make sense? So if I were to do this for me, I would put a line from capital A to lowercase a. You guys do E, I, and O. Go ahead and do A also. Good. Put a line from uppercase A to lowercase. Which one is your lowercase? Okay, now where does I, or where does O belong to? You're making it harder than it is. Do the same thing in the second box. Same thing in the second box, boys and girls. Connect the capital with the lowercase in this box too. No. You do not do the same thing on the bottom, so don't even do it. Okay. On the bottom, or put your pencils up if you're ready for the bottom. Okay, on the bottom box, look at the letters in the box at the bottom. Do you see any vowels? Yes. Circle all of the vowels in that box. Circle all the vowels. Okay, we are going to see how many vowels you circled. Let's see how many circles you have. Or we need to see how many circles we need to have. Okay. You think 7. Anybody else think they found any more than that? Hudson found more than that? Ellie Day, you found more than that? You found 8, and you found 9.
Me too.
You found 9? Anybody else find 9? There are 9. So if you haven't found them all yet, you need to have 9 circles. Okay? 9 circles. Okay. On number 11 through 15. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. You're writing each of the vowels in the lowercase letter. It just wants the lowercase letter of each of the vowels. So lowercase. You can find all the lowercase in here. It wants you to write them in here. The lowercase vowels. All the lowercase vowels on 11 through 15. Just any. You can even just think about what are the vowels and do all the lowercase letters of them. Doesn't matter about the order. Okay. And write them on the lines. Okay. So we're done with 1 through 15. First sheet to the back, remember? Okay. Put your finger on the first sight word in the box. What is that word? Was. Okay. At home tonight, practice reading and spelling all of these sight words in the box. Okay? That is your homework again. Every night that is going to be your homework.
Okay, I got homework.
Okay. In phonics, yep. All right. Okay, so put those in your homework folder. Yep.
We put our